Did you know that Samsung sells over 300 million smartphones every year? With the A06 being one of their budget-friendly options, it's got some serious competition. The Samsung A06 is making waves in the budget smartphone market, and I'm excited to dive into its features and performance to see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. This phone promises to deliver impressive specs at an affordable price. What sets it apart from other budget smartphones out there? In this review, we'll explore its display quality, camera capabilities, battery life, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Samsung A06 is the right choice for you. Samsung is a leading manufacturer in the tech industry, known for producing high-quality smartphones. The A06 is part of their budget-friendly lineup, released to compete with other affordable options. It's designed to offer great value without breaking the bank. This phone sits comfortably in Samsung's lineup, offering a balance of features and affordability. For those looking for a reliable smartphone without the hefty price tag, the A06 seems like a promising option. The Samsung A06 comes with a stunning display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing through your favorite apps. Its camera capabilities are also noteworthy, with features that can help you capture life's precious moments. With a long-lasting battery, you can enjoy your phone for hours on end without needing to recharge. Storage options are also flexible, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your needs. In terms of performance, the A06 doesn't disappoint. It handles everyday tasks with ease, making it a great choice for casual users. One of the standout features of the A06 is its value for money. It offers a lot of bang for your buck, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. However, like any smartphone, the A06 isn't without its drawbacks. Some users might find the performance a bit underwhelming, especially when it comes to demanding tasks. The display, while good, might not be as vibrant as some of its competitors. And, of course, there are limitations to its camera capabilities. Despite these cons, the A06 remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly smartphone. Its pros definitely outweigh its cons, making it a worthwhile investment. When comparing the Samsung A06 to similar budget smartphones like the Xiaomi Redmi series or Motorola models, it holds its own. It offers competitive features at a price that's hard to beat. The Xiaomi Redmi series, for instance, is known for its affordability and performance. But the A06 display and camera capabilities give it an edge. Motorola models, on the other hand, are praised for their battery life. However, the A06 storage options and overall value make it a more attractive option. In my personal experience with the Samsung A06, I found it to be a reliable companion for daily use. It handled my social media browsing, email checking, and occasional gaming with ease. One memorable moment was when I used it to capture a stunning sunset photo. The camera performed beautifully, and I was impressed with the results. Of course, there were some challenges, like the occasional lag when switching between apps. But overall, the A06 proved to be a solid performer. If you're in the market for a budget smartphone, I highly recommend giving the A06 a try. It's a great value for the price and offers a lot of bang for your buck. I'd give the Samsung A06 a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's perfect for casual users who want a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. The A06 is ideal for students, young adults, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly option. Its affordability and features make it a great choice. So, is the Samsung A06 worth buying? Absolutely. It offers great value, impressive features, and a price that's hard to beat. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to check out my other video comparing budget smartphones. I think you'll find it really helpful in making your decision. In that video, I compare the A06 to other popular budget options, so you can make an informed decision. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you had any experience with the Samsung A06 or similar budget smartphones? Your feedback is invaluable in helping others make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.